What's up, buds? Welcome to a Jay's Tasty Vision Vlogs, and today I'm gonna be making something for real. And I have a different sous chef today, cause I'm gonna make something. I'm gonna make something called a Mamma Mia pepperoni pizza. But I have a couple songs to sing first.
Buongiorno.
First, I would sing Welcome to Jason's Cooking for Real, also known as Jess the Korean. It is so fun to be back in this kitchen, making something very delicioso. Oh yeah. Also another song, the Mamma Mia pepperoni pizza is the pizza for the M class. The Mamma Mia pepperoni pizza is the pizza for the M class. Okay, just do that quick. And I probably gonna have a guest, Bralila Minecraft again, probably later on. But let's get started. So I preheat the oven to 400. In Celsius that would be 200, but in Fahrenheit I keep it simple. But in Fahrenheit that's 400. If you live in the same country as me.
I close the door.
Not really, but you're closing slowly. But anyway, let's get started. So we need to chop some stuff up. Do we need to wash this though?
I think we do.
So let's go over to the sink and then roll up our cleans so we don't get them wet.
Yes.
And now we're gonna wash these. As you can see, that's enough. So what you wanna do is you wanna start slicing these up. So what you want to do now is you want to take this part out. This part you don't want to eat. So nobody eat this part. Anyway, just cut it.
Actually, since we're having so many toppings, maybe this is enough. We don't need that much more.
Yeah, maybe, you know what?
I forgot how many toppings we're having.
Oh yeah, we also need to have the sliced up tomatoes. So let's cut these. But of course we have to wash these first. One little trick is washing tomatoes. Now we only gonna cut it into slices. So one slice. 2 slices.
Yes.
That's beautiful.
Chef Jason, you slice so beautifully.
I know. That's good.
How nice.
Yes, we need to take off this stuff from the onion, which we'll do here. Oh my god, this is so hard to cut. Beautiful. My eyes are starting to burn.
Can I help you? Take turns.
Yes, please.
Okay.
And how much should we even put in the bowl?
Just enough to coat it, a little coat.
Like that much?
Yes, and spread around like you would do with flour.
I just spread it with my hands.
Yes, your hands are clean.
Oh, that's why you need to wash your hands because you're gonna spread this. So that's why you need to wash your hands before making
You can bring it up the sides like this.
Yes, exactly. This helps the pizza crust dough not to stick. It also helps the pizza crust dough keep its flavor.
Yes.
That's what it also does. It helps for 2 things. Olive oil is just so helpful sometimes. I love
the olive oil.
Yeah, healthy flavor and it helps it not stick into each bowl.
Yes, one from each bowl.
Some saran wrap here. Don't want saran wrap inside. Hello again.
Looks like a lot of oil.
Of course. Oh, Miss Morello. With you laughing again. So flour and oil basically.
Yes.
How much oil? Because we need to tell the audience how much oil they should use.
Just enough to make a thin layer. Is this gluten free?
No, it's not.
Is this gluten free?
Yes, it is.
Do you wash your hands in between?
Yes.
Okay, let's wash our hands. Come on, Jason. You must be very careful for the people who cannot eat gluten.
Oh yeah, I'm done. But did you wash these?
Oh,
Hi
speaking of
guys.
gluten,
Hi. That's Gorilla Minecraft. So just a little splash, like that one.
Splishy splashy.
Again, help not stick.
I asked Miss Alex a question.
Okay, do that in the meantime. Too bad Mr. Matt can't kick in. Okay, that's good.
Jason, I don't think you need to put the flour on it.
Okay. Okay. There a rolling pin.
Okay, so Alex says if we want, you cook the dough by itself first before we put on toppings, but it's up to you. Do you understand me?
Oh, we want the toppings cooked too.
You can cook it a little bit to make it a little cooked, and then take it out, and then put on the toppings.
Like your accent.
Or you cook it all together at once. It's up to you.
I think then I'll drizzle a bit more olive oil on these. And then I'll add the pizza sauce and then the topping.
And then put it in
Oh
the
yeah, also the cheese too that we need.
Yes.
My hands are really slippery with olive oil.
Yes, the floor is slippery too.
Yeah, be sure to clean it. And be sure to wash your hands after doing this.
I will.
Oh, thank you.
Well.
I like hot sauce. What?
That's some good sauce you have there.
I know. It's pizza sauce. So we just have the cheese. It's overdo it, kind of. Oops. Yeah, I really should have asked Miss Alex for some garlic too.
Yes. What, a pizza?
Yep, so we're gonna do stuff with our hands. So wash your hands, that's why. When you have to do stuff with hands.
I make a call about the camera person now.
But, okay. Okay, now topping time. We're gonna add some green peppers.
Do you know if they're spicy or if they're not spicy?
They're not spicy. But jalapenos are habaneros, ghost peppers, sriracha, or sriracha sauce too.
Camera person is gone.
For the people who like spicy, they probably want to do a different pepper or just add sriracha sauce on top. Or instead of the pizza tomato sauce, you can add sriracha sauce too. But I'm just doing it the regular way.
Great.
I know.
So you have 3 pizzas?
Mm-hmm. Exactly.
Okay, so is this the regular crust with the regular cheese? And these are gluten-free and dairy-free?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
What we have left to do is put the onion. Hey, Jay, we have. Oh, you didn't have enough onion?
No, not for this one.
The onion, the tomato. You put these all on. Tomato, pineapple, onion, and the butter.
So what you want to do?
And then cook it.
Jay, can I help you with something since we're running behind schedule? Do you want me to drain your pineapple?
Sure.
It's pretty crushed up.
Pretty nice.
Yeah.
Mamma mia, what a pizza. It looks beautiful.
Okay.
I'm gonna
So because
do a
this
little
is
cleaning.
almost a liquid, it's like a slushy texture.
Just put a little pineapple, maybe.
Your dough looks
You
really
need spread. You need to spread it. You need to spread it out with pizza. Jay. Just a
good.
little.
Was that the sound of the oven being preheated?
What song?
The sound went tick-tick-tick.
Oh, I thought you said
I think
song.
that's enough pineapple.
I don't think so. Actually, maybe it is.
It's a lot.
I mean, we got 2 more pizza.
Does everybody like pineapple in the pizza?
Mhm.
We didn't ask. We don't care.
This is liquid.
What Chef Jason like, Chef Jason do.
I can't believe it. This is actually a crust.
Oh, you didn't use. You used the dairy-free cheese on it?
No, we used to.
Oh, this one.
There's another. Yeah.
Oh, okay. My mistake.
I'm on a gluten and dairy-free diet.
Hey, this fridge is filling up with all of your ingredients.
Oops, sweetie. Yeah, I think that this is enough for pineapple.
Yes.
Okay, what do we need to do?
I think you need to put it
Put
in
it
the
in the
oven.
oven. We use a gloves, no? We use a glove.
Oh yes, we need to use gloves
There.
because the oven is really hot.
Do you think we can fit a three pizza in the oven? I'm a little worried.
All right, so why don't you tell your fans how long you
Another
should cook your
pepperoni.
pizza?
Oops, we're gonna start with 10 minutes. Oops. Open light so we can look at it.
Do we leave the video the whole time we cook?
No.
We wait for cooking. We
You
turn-
can pause it and then you start it over again. So
Okay.
so that's a that's it. I'll be back when it's done.
Okay.
So
ciao.
bye for now.
Ciao. That's how you say goodbye.
But see you back later. Okay, I'm back, bud. So this is what our pizza looks like, our baked ones. So what we did was it took more than 10 minutes. We did 10 minutes for 450, and then after that we saw it wasn't cooked, so we put it back for another 5 minutes on 450, and then it wasn't cooked again, so then we put it for 10 minutes on 450, and that's how we did this. And this is the finishing product of what they look like now. So if you could see, imagine how that's gonna taste and how it's gonna look like when you cut it up and serve it and plate it. Oh boy. Okay, so bye. Hope you enjoyed this tasty treat. Of course, bon appetit and peace.